Good morning students, welcome to today's maths class. So we have been discussing about chapter 7 number line. Okay, in that exercise 7a. Next fourth question, in each of the following pairs replace star with a less than or greater than to make the statement true. Okay, so you have to replace the star by less than or greater than. What will come? Less than or greater than. You have to write. Okay, 3 star 0. So what will come? We know that 3 it is greater than 0. So the sign will be greater than. Okay, the star we can replace that by greater than sign. Now second one 0 and minus 8. So we know that 0 and negative number. All negative number is less than 0 or 0 is greater than every negative integer. Okay, so 0 it is greater than minus 8. Okay, next third one minus 9 and minus 3. So here in case of negative, greater the number, lesser will be its negative. Okay, negative 9 and negative 3. Which one will be greater here? Negative 3 will be greater. Okay, greater the number it is 9, but this minus 9 will be lesser number. Okay, so minus 9 less than minus 3 will come. Now in that fourth one, minus 3 and 3. So here which one will be greater? A positive integer and a negative integer it is given. So we know that every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. Okay, so minus 3 less than 3. Now 5 and minus 1. We know that positive integer is greater than negative integer. So 5 greater than negative 1. Minus 13 and 0. So negative integer it is. Negative integer will be less than 0. Okay, so minus 13 less than 0. Now minus 8, minus 18. So greater the number, lesser will be its negative. So which one will be greater number here? Minus 8 will be greater than minus 8. Okay, in case of negative numbers, greater the number, lesser will be negative. Number greater ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ നെഗറ്റീവ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? ലെസ്സർ ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, സോ മൈനസ് 8 വിൽ ബി ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ മൈനസ് 18. സോ 0 ഈസ് ഓൾസോ ആൻ ഇൻറ്റിജർ. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ടോപ്പിക് യൂസിങ് എ നമ്പർ ലൈൻ. A number line can be used for addition and subtraction of numbers. Okay, using number line we can add and subtract numbers. Okay, let's see how. Exercise 7b. Use a number line to evaluate each of the following. First question, plus 7 plus 4. Okay, you have to find the sum of these two integers using a number line. So it is given positive 7. First you have to draw a number line like this. Draw a straight line, mark points at equal distances. Okay, anywhere you can put 0. Now at equal distances, to the left of 0 you can mark positive integers, and to the right of 0 you can mark positive integers, and to the left of 0 you can mark negative integers. Okay, as required. What is the question? Depending on the question you can mark the points. Now plus 7 plus 4. In order to find that, you can start from 0. Okay, always start from 0. So first draw a small line like this, dotted lines. Okay, starting from 0. Plus 7, this is the first integer given. Plus 7 plus 4. So move 7 points to the right. Okay, since it is positive 7, move 7 unit from the right, from 0 to right. So you will reach at 7. Here you will reach at 7. Here also you can draw dotted lines. Okay, since it is positive 7, first integer is positive 7, so starting from 0, move 7 units to the right. Since it is positive number, we have to move towards right side. പോസിറ്റീവ് 7 ആയതുകൊണ്ടാണ് റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്ത്, നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്കാണ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, സിൻസ് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് പോസിറ്റീവ് 7, മൂവ് 7 യൂണിറ്റ്സ് ടു റൈറ്റ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് പ്ലസ് 4. Next it is positive 4. So now we reach at 7. So from 7, move 4 units to right side. Okay, since it is positive 4, again positive 4, positive integer, so move 4 units to right. Okay, so you will reach at, you can see 1 2 3 4, so here you will reach. Okay, you can mark dotted line like this. Now put arrow mark also. So we reach at 11. Now you can write plus 7 plus 4. What you got? It is 11. 11 is the answer. 7 plus 4, it is 11. Okay. In that second one, 0 plus 6. So here first number is 0 and we have to start from 0 only. Okay, so 0 you can mark with the dotted lines, you can mark. Plus 6. Next it is given positive 6. So what to do? From 0 you can move 6 units to the right side. Okay, 0 plus then positive 6 ആണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ 0 ആദ്യം മാർക്ക് ചെയ്തു, പോസിറ്റീവ് 6 തന്നതുകൊണ്ട് 6 യൂണിറ്റ് റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്യാം. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, you will reach at 6. Okay, now you can mark like this, I mean put a line arrow like this. So what is the answer? We reach at 6. So answer is, you can write 0 plus 6 equal to 6. Okay, so we reach at 5, so that will be the answer. Positive 5 plus 0, the answer will be 5. Okay, now second question. In that first one, minus 4 plus 5. So here negative number is coming. This is another type. Minus 4 plus 5. So always you have to start from 0. Okay, mark draw dotted line at 0. Okay, now first number is minus 4. So what to do is move 4 unit to the left of 0. Okay, minus 4 ആണ് ആദ്യത്തെ നമ്പർ. അപ്പോൾ 0 ഒന്ന് 4 യൂണിറ്റ് ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്കാണ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. Okay, so moving 4 units to the left of 0. This is 1 2, this is 0. Now 1 2 3 4, you will reach at this point. Okay, here you can mark a dotted line and you can put arrow. We are moving to the left, so left arrow you can mark. Okay, we reach at minus 4. Next number is plus 5. So what to do? From minus 4 you have to move 5 unit to the right. Okay, നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ minus 4-ലെത്തി. അടുത്ത നമ്പർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് പോസിറ്റീവ് 5 ആണ്. പോസിറ്റീവ് 5 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ 5 യൂണിറ്റ് റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്യണം. നമ്മൾ എത്തിയത് എവിടെയാണോ അവിടെ നിന്ന് 5 യൂണിറ്റ് റൈറ്റിലേക്ക്. സോ starting from minus 4, you can see this is 1 2 3 4 5. We reach at a positive 1. Here you can mark a dotted line and arrow mark. You can show towards the right. Okay, now we reach at a positive 1. So what will be the answer? Minus 4 plus 5 equal to positive 1. Okay, here on this number line you have to mark one more thing. First you are moving minus 4, I mean from 0 you are moving 4 units to the left now. So that above that arrow you can just mark this is minus 4. Okay, now from minus 4 you are moving 5 units to the right. So this arrow indicates positive 5, that you can mark. Okay, on every number line you can mark this is plus 5 unit to the right. Okay, Here also plus 6 unit to the right. Now in the first question also, this is positive 7 and this is positive 4. Okay. In that second one, 0 plus minus 2. So the first number itself 0 and you have to start from 0 itself. Okay. So mark or draw dotted line at 0. Next, minus 2. Minus 2 is given. Okay. So what to do? Move 2 units to the left of 0. So this is 0, this is 1, 2. You will reach at minus 2. Okay. Now you can draw an arrow towards the left and mark minus 2. Okay. So the answer is 0 plus minus 2. Where we reach? We reach at minus 2. So this is the answer. Okay. Now third question, first one. Plus 4 plus minus 2. Okay, so first integer is plus 4. So starting from 0, you can move 4 units to the right. Okay, it is positive 4, so move towards the right. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. You will reach at 4. So at 4, you can draw dotted lines. Okay, and draw arrow. Like this, you can draw arrow and you can write this is positive 4. Okay. Next integer it is minus 2. So starting from 4. Now you have to start from 4. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ 4ലാണ് എത്തിയത്. ഇനി -2. -2 നമ്മളിവിടെ നമ്പർ ലൈനിൽ കാണിക്കുമ്പോൾ 4 എന്ന് വേണം സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ. സോ സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് ഫ്രം 4 you have to move 2 units to the left. Okay, since it is negative 2, you have to move to the left side. So this is 1, this is 2. You will reach at a positive 2. Okay, now you can draw arrow mark. Like this, you can draw arrow mark. This is minus 2. Okay, so where we reach at last, we reach at 2. So what will be the answer? Plus 4 plus minus 2. The answer will be positive 2. Okay. Now fourth question, first one. Minus 1 plus minus 2. So first integer is minus 1. So starting from 0. You have to start from 0. That you know. First integer is minus 1. So what to do? Move 1 unit towards left. Okay, starting from 0. You can move 1 unit towards left. So this is 1. Okay, moving 1 unit towards left, you will reach at a minus 1. Now you can draw an arrow like this towards the left side. This is minus 1. Okay. Next integer it is minus 2. So again negative integer. So again you have to move 2 units towards left. ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്ക് തന്നെ വീണ്ടും മൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്പർ ആയതുകൊണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, 2 units you have to move towards left and we reach at minus 1. So now you can start from minus 1. minus 1 എന്നാണ് ഇനി സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, 0 നിന്ന് -1 1 യൂണിറ്റ് ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് -1 Now from -1 you again move 2 units to the left. So 1, 2. You will reach at -3. Okay, so again you can draw arrow mark like this. This is -2. Okay, so final answer at where we reach at last -3. So -1 plus -2, the answer will be -3. Okay, this will be the answer. Now exercise 7b, in that second question third one, third question second and third one, fourth question second and third one you can do as homework. Okay, 5 are there. 5 number lines you have to draw. Okay, so this much for this class. Thank you.